So traditionally, pulse reading or pulse is a part of the vital signs. So our pulse is the activity of our blood that goes in and out of our heart. And as we know that our blood runs throughout our body, it goes to the heart, to the lungs, to the brain, and to all other parts of our internal organ. No? When we try to feel our pulse, no, you can usually hear the sounds like that. So there is a sound. So our our body is creating sound, and one of the obvious sound that we can hear is, actually we don't hear but we feel, no, is the pulse rate, no. And traditionally, according to medical science, there are certain parts of our body where we can feel our pulse. Is the most common method of getting your pulse is through the radial artery, no. So how to find your radial artery? So from this point, I'm raising my left hand and my other two fingers I put across my thumb. So I slide down the thumb just below it, beneath the palm, and the what you call this, the base of the palm. And there I found, on this position where you are seeing right now, is the position of my radial artery. But the other method that you can use is just open your left palms and then the other palms like that, and drop it like this, and these two hands will close, and you can see that you will already feel your own what you call this, radial. Some history, no. The name of this pulse is named after the Egyptian god of the sun, which is the Ra, no. And we know that the traditional clock that we use is the sundial, and radial means Ra dial is derived from the sun dial, no. And this is the reason why when we wear watch, diba? So this is the place where we put the watch, and sometimes the watch that have quartz crystals on it are being activated by the pulse of our by our pulse, through the radial pulse.